DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like una this week on like una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive all touch ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Good morning. What is your name? Okay. What happened yesterday?
Yesterday we go party for. Yesterday, me and my brother we go party for Ukraine. So, as we go for we go overtake two police Siana data save data when they are patrol along the express road. So as we go, we don't say that they as we overtake them, we don't say that they try to tell us we will stop. So the front Siana all block us for front. They go tell us immediately no order. Me and my brother all order for the bike. They go shake us, nothing. They don't say anything. They go tell us we will see the go party. But they smoke me enter the motor follow them. All the like beg them say okay, go to you because say money enter the motor first. So go enter the motor follow them. Or go to go junction, go turn. Then the machine, my brother machine so they cannot give one machine until when they follow them they work. So as we go turn to go junction we they come. The vigilante when they ride my brother machine so because they use the machine till they pursue another way they out of die. So police call the try pursue and they tell us me slow down, and they fire they go. So before Westland Hotel, one that police station for there beside the Westland Hotel hotel. And one to Lexus, white Lexus, just come outside with speed from the police station. Finally hit the vigilante. So he called Tabati and again. The motion when they say the Siana, when they say police Siana, all stop for front. As immediately see that Siana, so because they use reverse, the boy with the white Lexus, because they use reverse, see they go for the express. You know, say the other Siana police, they back. And that one I call blocker for back. But tell us to make order. They call corner, but it's okay. May they enter the police route. They come enter. So as we dey go, you want more difference. So only I'm already they go there on SP they go. Do you want more difference? So only the go only condition come off for inside the motor come call ETF for ground. So the police not go stop. Based on the crowd for this. Or drive you there. Or carry the motor everything. Or go Asaba that side. So reach Asaba. Or give statement for that side. Or with here. They got us okay. May they carry us come back. They call the only the boy when you come for the motor, so he friends. So when they inside the motor, now and I call the Asaba, both the motor. They call leave my reporter, see me, they carry me and my brother come back from Asaba that yesterday. Now we come back.
So why the police not stop as the boy jump out?
Because of the crowd, if the police stop now, maybe fight will rehappen again. They'll go attack the police for their again. That's why they don't be stopped.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't ask you your name first. What is your name?
Ayonwe Desiri.
Okay. You are in which part of Ogele?
Photo Ogele, Delta State.
Okay. Then who is this your friend?
It's my brother.
Is she the same person that you are riding the motorcycle with?
Yes, he's the one that was carrying me.
What is your name, please?
My name is
Huh?
Hope.
Hope. Do you have anything to tell us different from what he said?
Yes, sir.
So what he said is...
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
DJM TV.
my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJJ TV.